How to use Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a new set of tools that helps you create, collaborate, and share content in a more natural way. It includes three main components: Loop components. Loop components are reusable building blocks that you can use to create content. They include things like tables, lists, text, and code. Loop pages. Loop pages are containers for your Loop components. They can be used to create documents, presentations, and other types of content. Loop workspaces. Loop workspaces are shared spaces where you can collaborate with others on Loop content. To use Microsoft Loop, you can open the Loop app in the Microsoft 365 suite at https://loop.microsoft.com. Once you're in the app, you can create a new Loop page or workspace. You can then add Loop components to your page or workspace. To add a Loop component, simply click on the plus button and select the type of component you want to add. Once you've added some Loop components to your page or workspace, you can start collaborating with others. To do this, simply share the link to your page or workspace with the people you want to collaborate with. They will then be able to add their own content to the page or workspace. Microsoft Loop is still in development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we create, collaborate, and share content. It's a powerful new tool that can help you be more productive and efficient in your work. Here are some tips for using Microsoft Loop. Use Loop components to create reusable content. Loop components are a great way to create reusable content. Once you've created a Loop component, you can use it over and over again in different pages and workspaces. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Use Loop pages to organize your content. Loop pages are a great way to organize your content. You can create a separate page for each project or task. This will help you keep your work organized and easy to find. Use Loop workspaces to collaborate with others. Loop workspaces are a great way to collaborate with others. You can share a workspace with your team and work on projects together in real time. This can help you be more productive and efficient. I hope this helps.